For question 3, my first step is to get everything onto one side and 0 on the other. So my highest power, I want to keep that positive, so I'm going to move the other two terms to the left. So this is going to stay the same. This will be a minus 12x to the 3 and a plus 9x squared. So once you have everything on one side and 0 on the other, then you can start factoring. So I need to look for a GCF, and I can take out an x squared. I can't take out any numbers, so an x squared would leave me with 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. So this is a trinomial, and I need to factor this trinomial. So I'm going to do the AC method. And a times c is 36, and b is negative 12. 36 has a lot of different combinations, so it's kind of challenging. 2 and 18 would give you 20. 3 and 12 would give you 15. 4 and 9 would give you 13. 6 and 6 would give you 12. So if I just make them both negative, that will work. So I'm going to split this up into a negative 6x and a negative 6x, and plus 9 and the 4x squared. So if you do factor by grouping, you can take out a 2x, leaving you with 2x minus 3, and you can take out a minus 3, also leaving you with 2x minus 3. So then this would just be 2x minus 3 and 2x minus 3. And I can't forget about my x squared. And this is still equal to 0. Okay, so I have a couple different branches to this problem because I have 3 different factors here. So the x squared I want to set equal to 0. 2x minus 3 I want to set equal to 0. And 2x minus 3 I want to set equal to 0. So x squared is equal to 0. The only thing that would make that true is if x is equal to 0. So 0 is the only number squared that equals 0. So this is just going to be x is equal to 0. With 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3/2. And you'll notice that this is the same 2x minus 3. So I don't need to solve it twice. In fact, I only need to write the 3/2 once. So only write 3/2 once. So 0 and 3/2 would be my answer.